In front of you is a model. Woven within it is the structure of a protein found in the human body. The model became known as the forest of rods because of the dense number of rods the structure is supported by. If you take away the rods, you would clearly see the shape of the protein myoglobin. The model was made by John Kendrew in 1959, and he was the first person to reveal the shape of a protein. Knowing what a protein looks like helps scientists understand how it functions in the body. Revealing the structure of myoglobin helped explain how it was able to store oxygen in our muscles, aiding physical activity. Kendrew chose to research myoglobin because it was smaller and hopefully simpler than most proteins. However, myoglobin is made up of over 2,000 atoms, so it was still a difficult task. To discover the shape of the protein, Kendrew used a technique called X-ray crystallography. Myoglobin was taken from blood and made into a crystal. He then fired X-rays at the crystal and took a picture of the pattern the X-rays made as they hit atoms inside the crystal. Each photograph revealed a slice through the protein. Kendrew analysed tens of thousands of these patterns. He mathematically plotted this information, building up an outline of myoglobin's structure in layers. But to understand the protein's structure in detail, he needed to build a physical model. Kendrew was inspired by the kids' construction kit, Meccano. He used long axle rods, the type which were used to fix wheels to the toys, and placed 2,500 of them in a grid. And then he used Meccano clips to plot the outline of myoglobin that his analysis of the X-ray patterns had revealed. He used different coloured clips to plot out the structure. The positioned clips created a contour map which showed where Kendrew could weave a chain to reveal the shape of the protein. The beauty of building a model in this way is that it allowed a scale which gave him just enough room for his hand to reach in and fix the clips to the rods, enabling him to tweak the complex structure of the model ever more accurately. At the time, without computer imaging, a model such as this was very important because it was hard to describe a complex protein shape. This model helped fellow scientists and the wider public understand how a protein worked. Kendrew's work to discover the structure of myoglobin helped fellow scientist Max Perutz predict and understand the structure of hemoglobin, the protein that transports oxygen around the body, and together they won the 1962 Nobel Prize for Chemistry in recognition of their painstaking research into revealing the structure of proteins.